Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use game capture in OBS Studio for Counter-Strike 2, or CS2. If you've ever tried recording or streaming CS2 and run into issues with the game not showing up properly in OBS, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to get a crisp, reliable game feed straight into OBS, ready for streaming or recording, without any black screens or glitches. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is set up a launch option in Steam. Go ahead and open your Steam library and look for Counter-Strike 2. You'll want to right-click on CS2 and hit Properties. This opens up the settings window for the game. Now, under the General section, you're going to see an area labeled Launch Options. This is where you can add special commands that change the way your game starts up. Here, type in Allow Third-Party Software. What this does is tell CS2 it's okay to work with third-party programs like OBS. Basically, without this step, the game might block or interfere with OBS trying to capture your gameplay, which can lead to that classic black screen problem. Once you've entered the launch option, just close the Properties window. Now, launch CS2 from Steam once so the change goes into effect. You don't need to play right now, just get it running. After CS2 launches, you can minimize the game. This ensures it's open and available for OBS to hook into, which is especially important if you're capturing a specific window. Next up, we're jumping over to OBS Studio. Go ahead and open OBS. At the bottom of the window, you'll see the Sources panel. Think of this as the stage where you build your stream or recording layout. Click the plus icon to add a new source. You'll get a menu, so from here, select Game Capture. Now, give your new source a name. You might want to call it CS2, so it's clear which game you're capturing, but feel free to use whatever makes sense for your setup. Hit OK to create your new capture source. By organizing your sources and naming them clearly, you keep your OBS project tidy, which really helps if you're working with multiple games or scenes. Now, onto configuring the source so OBS knows exactly what to capture. The Properties window for your new game capture source will pop up automatically. In here, look for a setting called Mode. Click that drop-down and select Capture Specific Window. This tells OBS to focus on a particular application, in our case Counter-Strike 2, rather than trying to guess or capture any full-screen app. It's like telling OBS to put all its attention on a single stage actor instead of the whole cast. Next, under the Window dropdown, find Counter-Strike 2 in the list and select it. Sometimes, if you don't see the game listed, make sure CS2 is running and not minimized to the taskbar, as OBS looks for active windows. Once you've selected the right window, click OK to confirm your changes. And that's it. You should now see your CS2 gameplay previewed right in OBS. If you ever get just audio or still see a black screen, double-check that launch option in Steam, and make sure you selected the right window in OBS. Sometimes these steps can take a few moments to update, so don't worry if the video doesn't appear instantly. Give it a few seconds, or try relaunching both OBS and CS2. I hope this helped you get game capture working smoothly for Counter-Strike 2. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical guides. Got questions or run into something that's still not working? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.